This is one half of an infographic I did for our first field report. As you can see, it is a fairly small district and community. The majority of students here are socioeconomically disadvantaged, which means most of them are also on the free reduced lunch program. This is the second half of the infographic from the previous slide. The area surrounding the district is made up of small shops, a couple of daycares, and housing. There are multiple apartment buildings and many older homes. The students in Miss Gann's kindergarten class are around the ages of 6 and 7. The boys outnumber the girls a fairly good amount, and most of the students are Hispanic. As shown in the last pie chart, there are only a few students involved in special programs. During the day, the students work to fill a sticker chart. The stickers can be given and also can be taken away. After a row or column has been filled with stickers, the students earn a prize from the treasure box. When a student's whole sticker chart is filled, they get their name on a specially made chart where everyone can see and get a special prize. There are many varied approaches to learning. These are the three I observed the most in Miss Gann's class. While these approaches can overlap a lot of the time, on the next slide you will see what I observed in a breakdown of how Miss Gann's students learn. After speaking with Miss Gann, there were an equal number of students above and below grade level, and the rest were right on track. In the second pie chart, you can see that the majority of students are visual learners. I believe this to be true because the students are given many examples to learn from, and there are a lot of learning videos played in each lesson. The student I saw every day said his hobbies included going to the McDonald's playground after school and going outside to play tag and race cars. On the next slide, you will see how that translates into his style of learning. The student I worked with every day was pretty shy and quiet. His favorite things to do involved going outside. This leads me to believe that he is a visual and kinesthetic learner because he likes to explore new things and be active. Almost every transition between activities and lessons in Miss Gann's class were done with a Go Noodle video or some kind of movement and singing along video. I think this is an awesome practice because it gives the students a chance to get their wiggles out and reset for the next activity. A lot of Miss Gann's lessons involve Seesaw. Whether the students are sorting, recording, writing, or creating, Seesaw gives Miss Gann many opportunities to assess their learning. She can look back at older seesaws to see how the students have improved and use newer ones to assess where a student may need more help.